In GaussDB, switching between primary and standby nodes is a routine operation where you can promote a standby data node within the same shard to become the primary. There are a number of reasons you might perform this operation. To enhance service availability, you can proactively switch workloads to a better resourced standby node before peak hours. To enable cross-AZ disaster recovery, you may want to relocate the primary node to a different availability zone as needed. During version or configuration updates, a primary or standby switchover can enable zero downtime updates by reversing roles in a controlled manner. After a switchover, the new primary data node instantly takes over all workloads. However, switchovers cannot be performed if the instance node is in an abnormal state. Single node instances do not support primary or standby data node switchovers. A switchover can cause interruptions lasting from a few seconds to a few minutes, so perform this operation during off-peak hours and ensure client auto-reconnection is enabled to manage any issues. This video tutorial demonstrates how to perform a primary or standby switchover in GaussDB. Step 1. Select the target instance. Step 2. Check the current primary and standby node roles before initiating the switchover. Step 3. Select the standby data node to be promoted to the primary role. Step 4. Submit a primary or standby switchover request. Step 5. Check the new primary and standby node roles after the switchover. Next, we'll guide you through performing a primary or standby switchover using the GaussDB console. Log in to the Management console. Locate the instance you want to perform a primary or standby switchover for. Click the name of the desired instance to navigate to the Basic Information page. In the Node List area, review the current role of each node. In this example, root 0 is the primary data node. Click Switch Primary and Standby DNs. Select the standby node to promote. In this example, we will select root 1. Then, enter the confirmation information and click OK. Once the primary or standby switchover process begins, the instance and node statuses will change to switching primary and standby DNs. Monitor the instance and node status until they show as available, then verify the primary or standby node roles. We can see that root 1 has become the primary node. This indicates a successful switchover.